Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with TZ and C, cooking what we crave. So today we are gonna make some steamed cabbage and saltfish with carrots. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like, comment, share and subscribe if you're new and you haven't yet done so. Stick around. Okay guys, so to start off this recipe, we have here some simple ingredient. So one day you get up and you decide that you want to be meat free, so no meat today. This is the recipe: steamed cabbage with carrot and salt fish. It is a healthy recipe. It does require a lot of time. It takes about 10 minutes to cook, but preparation might be a little bit longer, but it is quick and easy. So first we have our saltfish, about a quarter pound of saltfish or a quarter to half pound of saltfish. If you have a small family like mine, you can use a quarter to half pound. If you have a bigger family, then you can always add more, like about 1 pound, 1.5, thereabout. So we soak it in some water. Next we're going to shred our cabbage, right? So you can use the cabbage just the same depending on your family size. You can always increase the amount. So we're just going to shred the cabbage into very small pieces. I like my cabbage cut into small pieces. Some persons cut it in very large chunks. I don't like it that way. So this is the way I like it. This is the way I prefer cutting or shredding my cabbage. So this is how we're doing it today. You can do it based on your preference. So we're going to continue to shred the cabbage until it is complete. After shredding our cabbage, we're just going to transfer them into a container, into a bowl. Next, to shredding our carrot. After shredding our carrot, we're going to prepare our vegetables, cutting them into small pieces. So after shredding all our cabbage, our carrots, sweet peppers, scallion, thyme, and you name it, this is how it looking. Very colorful, right? So what we're going to be doing, this is optional, you don't have to do it, but I like to wash my vegetables afterwards. Even though I washed them before, I like to wash them again. After doing so, I'll just transfer the vegetables into a frying pan or into any pan, non-slip pan or any pan like that you want to steam your vegetables in. I prefer steaming vegetables or cooking overall in a dochi pot. So we draw for the dochi pot today again, right? Afterwards, we're going to leave it there, add some butter, cover the pot, put it on low heat and allow the steam to penetrate the vegetables. Cover the pot, add your butter, allow it to steam on very low heat. That is all is required. So we're going to steam for about 10 minutes depending on how you like your vegetable. If you like it crunchy or if you like it soft, the steaming will vary. So if you like it crunchy, you can steam for about 10 minutes. If you like it being softer, you can add more time on it. But today we're doing it crunchy, so we're going to steam for about 10 minutes. We also added some Scotch bonnet pepper. Pepper lover, you can also add extra pepper if you would like, but I'm not going to add a lot, just a little bit, just to add flavor to the vegetable. So the next important ingredient to add to steaming the cabbage is butter. The butter will help to steam the cabbage as well as preventing the vegetables from sticking to the pot. Afterwards, you can distribute the butter throughout the cabbage so that you have some on the top, in the middle, around the edges and so forth, because you want it to be evenly distributed so that the cabbage can steam properly. So next, we cover the pot, put it on very low flame and allow to steam for 10 minutes. So while the cabbage or the vegetables are steaming, we're preparing the saltfish. So you boil the saltfish in some water for about 15 minutes or thereabout, 15 to 20 minutes. Right, straight out of the pot, guys, steam rising. Afterwards, you can pour some pipe water and allow the saltfish to cool down. So we also boil the saltfish for easy removal of the scale from it. Look at that, guys. So when the saltfish is boiled, the scale is easy to remove, so you can just easily use your fingers and just slide on it and the scale just remove, easy as that. So it doesn't require a lot of energy, it don't require no time, guys. Easy something to remove, easy, right? And also the bones, easy to remove, the skin, everything easy, guys. So boil the saltfish, reduce the salt, as well as making it easier to remove the scale from the saltfish. So it's time to remove the scale and bones from the saltfish, and then we're going to pick it up into smaller pieces. We soon come back. So after steaming for 10 minutes, our steamed vegetables, they are ready, guys. Look at it. Good. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, like, comment, share and subscribe if you enjoy this recipe. Alright, so seeing that the vegetable is finished, we're moving over to the saltfish. So you add some cooking oil to your frying pan and we're going to fry the saltfish along with the vegetables or onions, scallion, garlic, thyme and so forth. After frying the vegetables, the onion and the tomatoes, we're going to pour the saltfish in and we're going to cook it up as well. After adding the saltfish or codfish, You're going to mix well to incorporate the saltfish and the season together so we can seal in that juicy flavor into our saltfish. Alright guys, so looking very mouth watering. So next we're going to take the saltfish, the cooked saltfish, and transfer into the steamed vegetables. So you're just going to take it and pour it into the steamed vegetable. Afterwards, we're just going to mix well and combine the saltfish together with the steamed vegetable. Right, so you want to ensure that this saltfish and the cabbage, everything well blended. You don't want some saltfish over there and the cabbage there over. No, you're going to blend everything to combine the cabbage and the saltfish. After combining the cabbage and saltfish, you can just leave it there for about a minute and let it steam, and you can serve. You can serve with some food ground provisions such as your sweet potato, your yellow yam, your white yam, your green banana, your cassava or your cocoa, your dasheen, and 2 cornmeal dumpling on the side. Guys, I do hope you enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me see you in the comment section. Tell us how you enjoy this video and recipes that you would want us to prepare for you. And it's now serving time. So we're going to serve our steamed cabbage and carrot with saltfish or codfish. Lovely, lovely guys. A delicious and healthy meal. Want to check out more of our videos? Check these out. By the way, have you tried our pumpkin dumpling recipe? Check it out.